Hi, thank you for the interest in Rent to Retirement. My name's Zach Lemaster. I'm one of the owners and founders of our company. I'd like to take a few moments just to tell you a little bit more about who we are and what we do. Rent to Retirement works in the turnkey space of real estate, which is a very broad term that a lot of people use. I always want to take some time to further define what we mean when we say turnkey. So the first thing that we do is market analysis. We want to be invested in different areas throughout the U.S. that have fundamentally good cash flow numbers, but also being conscious of other important criteria to consider, such as landlord-friendly legislation, low taxes, future population and economic growth, and really taking a well-rounded approach to strategically invest in areas that are going to set ourselves and our investors up for sustainability long term. Once we identify a market we like, we go in and buy our own personal portfolio and build our local teams and systems in place to offer a consistent rental product to our end investors. So when we say turnkey, what we mean, the homes that we sell have been fully renovated, leased, professionally managed, allowing our investors to invest with confidence in these different states where the numbers are attractive, but you're not having to go out and do everything on your own and build your own teams from the ground up. That takes obviously a considerable amount of time and risk and money. And so that's really the main service that we offer to our clients, in addition to spending ample time working with each investor on an individual basis, going through coaching and mentorship to ensure that you have the best strategy and investment plan in place to effectively and efficiently accomplish your goals within the timeline that you've set. We also want to make sure you're covering all the aspects you need to, from a tax, legal, accounting, and financing perspective, to build a sustainable investment portfolio long term. I always want to mention that because that's a big part of our business, ensuring that our investors have the most appropriate plan in place and offering that coaching and mentorship long term. We want our investors to be successful because that means there's a high likelihood you're going to come back to invest with us long term. A couple other points about the properties themselves. We mainly focus on your B and A class areas where you get a good balance of cash flow, but you're also attracting quality tenants. It's important to have tenants that are paying rent on time, taking care of your property, ideally staying for many years to reduce your overall vacancy. That's what creates a sustainable portfolio long term and the type of properties that we want to focus on. Typical price points could be anywhere from $80,000 to upwards of $160,000 or $180,000, give or take. We work in single family, multifamily. We have new build and development projects. So we have a diversity of different asset classes to invest in, as well as a diversity of different geographic locations. We work across 11 different markets in the US. Those are available on our website, renttoretirement.com, where you can actively see our public inventory at any given point in time. The last thing I'd like to mention is we have a large network of lenders that can offer any kind of financing needs that you have. This could be conventional, portfolio, private money is available as well if needed. Our goal is to put you in touch with the lender that's going to best allow you to accomplish your goals. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight into exactly what we do. If you're interested to learn more, I encourage you to contact us to schedule an initial consultation with one of our investment counselors where you can go through your strategy specifically with us, talk about your goals, your timeline, your resources, your criteria, so we can best advise you on what the best starting point is. You can contact us at info@renttoretirement.com. Again, that's info@renttoretirement.com. You can call us at 1-800-311-6781 or feel free to visit our website to learn more. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Rent to Retirement. We hope to connect with you soon.